How to make green moong bhaji. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a crispy and delicious green moong bhaji recipe made with sprouted green moongs. It's healthy, protein rich and perfect for evening snacks. Ingredients: soaked and sprouted green moongs, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 green chillies, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, salt to taste, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, fresh coriander leaves, oil for deep frying. Preparing the moong. First, wash and soak the green moongs for 6 to 8 hours. Drain the water and let it sprout overnight. Preparing the bhaji mixture. Add the sprouted moongs to a mixture jar. Add garlic, green chilies, and cumin seeds. Grind it into a smooth to slightly coarse paste. Do not add water. The moong is already soaked and we don't want the mixture to be runny. Transfer this paste into a bowl. Add salt to taste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix everything well. Let this mixture rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Making the bhaji. Heat oil in a pan for deep frying. Mix the batter once again before frying. Once the oil is hot, drop small portions of mixture into the oil. You can use your hands or 2 spoons like I am doing here. Take a mixture on 1 spoon and drop small portions with the help of the other spoon. Fry on medium heat and stir occasionally. Cook until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove them on a tissue paper to absorb excess oil. Serve hot with chutney or sauce. I personally love serving these with coconut chutney. It pairs perfectly. If you want the coconut chutney recipe, check the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this crispy and delicious green moong bhaji recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who love homemade snacks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple, tasty recipes made with love. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, keep cooking and keep smiling. Bye.